Hi guys, I'm Asif watching CGHOW video. Today we'll make this simple energy beam effect in Unreal Engine 5.5. So let's start this tutorial. So let's start this. So in Unreal Engine, I'll take a new level and let's take this one and I'll save it actually. Simple energy beam. There. So it's saved, right? I'll delete this and we'll make it a little bigger and be that and light, darker. And I want a flat color for my ground and floor. And I'll just drag it here and let's make this. Maybe I'll just make this specular 0, roughness 1, and this color maybe this much gray. And I'll just save it. Yeah, cool. Then we can go to exponent height fog. I'll make this black and make this one maybe gray this much. And then I'll increase this 22. And we have this start standard. Yeah, increase. And I'll make it little more like this. This should be the same color almost. Yeah, I like it. So now I can just add a sphere, maybe on 0, F, and I'll move it a little up. And I'll apply the same material that my ground has. And Control D, and then I'll move it here. Okay. So you can use a sequencer if you want. Let's say I use sequencer. You can directly place this. I'll drag it and loop. Let's open this. And we will add our effect here. Save all. And let's create first layer, which will be our like ring. So I'll just go to